up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dom and I have a 2015 Jeep Wrangler sitting outside. I just got a brand new 67 design phone mount for it and I'm gonna go ahead and install it today. First we're gonna go over everything that's included in the box, then I'll go over the installation. No instructions are included, but it's a very simple installation. So let's get into this. All right, so here's the box that it came in. It took about 3 days to ship. I ordered it on Monday and today is Thursday. They do also make these for a bunch of different types of vehicles as well. I did get the universal phone holder. They do also offer an option for a magnetic holder, but that's only if you use a magnetic phone case with your phone, which I didn't want to do. A decal is included along with some other legal information. Here's the primary piece of the phone holder, and they also included this cool carbon fiber bottle opener. So let's get everything out of the packaging. And honestly, you can't even tell how nice this quality is just from the video itself. This thing is definitely worth the money that I spent. Overall, I paid $115 for it. Compared to other options that you can find on Amazon is way more expensive. But now that you see the quality, I completely understand why. And I think that going with a cheaper option from Amazon or eBay is not the way to go. So this is pretty self-explanatory. Basically how this works is that this part sits on here, and then this part sits on here and holds your phone. Then this will mount to the cubby in your center console. So this is all you're gonna need for installation. Paper towels, isopropyl alcohol just to clean off the surface, and a 7mm socket with an extension. So you're gonna start by removing all your ducts, then remove this little tray, which will expose a 7mm bolt. Before we take out the bolt, I'm gonna clean this whole entire area with isopropyl alcohol to make sure that everything's clean and the 3M tape will stick. Now we'll take the 7mm socket and remove this bolt. This part of the mount has 3M tape on the front and the bottom. So go ahead and remove the pieces that cover the tape itself, and then we'll stick it in here. I'm gonna use the bolt to help guide where it needs to go. And make sure you also press down on all surfaces. Now just tighten down the bolt. And then the next part is to attach this piece. It's a pretty simple design. You just unscrew this part and attach it straight to here. And then the same thing with this part. It's just another ball. You unscrew it here and attach it straight to there. And that's it. That's what it looks like. Like I said, this thing is a lot more expensive than all the ones you'll find on Amazon, but it's 100% worth it. The main thing for me is that I was really worried that this piece wouldn't hold my phone, and I've heard that sometimes it can slide down, but after testing it with my phone, this thing is not going anywhere. And the one thing I do like is that you can turn it sideways too. Overall, I really like the 67 design mount, and if you're in the market for one, definitely check them out. I'll make sure to leave a link into the description below so you can go ahead and buy one for yourself. Like I said, they make them for so many different types of cars, so go ahead and find the one that's right for you. Honestly, just buy it. There's no point in waiting or trying to look for a different one. This one's perfect the way it is. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel to keep seeing more Jeep or 350 content, and I'll see you in the next one.